brand new Range Rover Sport in for the Meta Deadlock and a pin code immobiliser. So we've got the tags in a Faraday bag. If we try and start the vehicle, you'll see the car will not start. Just switches itself off. You can try as many times as you like. Ignition just keeps turning itself off. Tags now out the bag. The vehicle will start and pass the first layer. So now the vehicle's running, but if we select gear, the CAN bus immobiliser takes over and shuts down the engine. So if I select gear, vehicle's engine dies. You can keep trying, completely immobilised, you can't select gear. It will re-allow you to start the car, but every time you try and select gear, it'll just keep killing the car, keeping it nice and safe and secure. So vehicle's running, select another gear, kills it dead, will not go into gear. So what we need to do now is enter a PIN code using the available buttons around the dashboard. Enter the code, wait for double flash of the main beam lights. That is now disabled and we can now drive away. Vehicle selects gear.